Campground Tours. I'm your host, Jacob Seaver, and today we are at Devil's Backbone Resort in West Virginia. Like and subscribe, and we hope you enjoy the video. On this stop of Furnace Off-Road Campground Tours, we have gone to the Hatfield-McCoy trail system to check out the Devil's Backbone Resort. Before your arrival, you will receive a gate code. RVs will check in at the reservations office. Cabins will check in at the Backbone store up the hill. Devil's Backbone has so much to offer, including 4 to 7 cabins with 1, 2, or 4 bedroom options. They also have primitive camping and deluxe tents available. In this video, we will focus on their amazing campground and amenities. There are 40 total RV sites in the campground area. All sites include full hookups. Deluxe sites 1 and 2 have something we have never seen at another off-road campground: a hot tub. The deluxe RV sites are huge, fencing to give you a little privacy and triple the size of other campsites. The concrete pad, beautiful fire pits, and covered parking areas really set this resort apart from the rest. Booking for all lodging options can be made at the website linked in the description below.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Feet of flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carried faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop where the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold.
Devil's Backbone has some other amazing amenities: 2 restaurants, the Tipple Tavern, and the Trail 59 Grill, complete with an in-ground pool at both locations on the property. Gas pump on site with 90 and 93 available. Finally, the Backbone Company store to purchase your riding permits and any essentials you may need for your trip. Thanks for joining us on our 4th stop of Furnace Off-Road Campground Tours here at Devil's Backbone Resort. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you at the next stop.